Anaya.
Today we are going to be making slime.
So here's the paint.
Yeah, so here are the ingredients.
And here's the new
Here's the clear PVA glue,
and mine,
which is basically for slime. Our activator. We've got 2 of these, one for Anaya, one for me. 2 mixing tubs, 2 spoons, paint. You can choose any color from here. 2 pots, 1 stick to like pick up the paint, and then we've got to put in our slimes. We've got foam beads, glitter, and some scent to put in these 2. Anaya, I'll tell you guys something. This smells like strawberries. Smell.
Like
I can sleep with it while I can smell it while I'm sleeping.
Why don't we open it and
so let's get on with the video. Okay, so you guys, first we are gonna add in our glue, clear glue. Okay, Anaya, come, let's do it. Mine is closed.
Oh, mine is not closed.
How did I just do that? Oh my god, there's a bubble.
Let's see. Let's see. Okay, let's pour it.
I popped it. No. Okay, who cares? It'll pop anyway. Okay, let's tablespoon. Okay, let's add it in carefully, Naya. Carefully.
Boom.
That's enough. Bit more. That's enough. There. Wait a minute. Let's tiny bit more for you.
I don't know how much you have.
There.
Okay, now I'm gonna use that.
Okay, so you guys, we are gonna add in our paint. So you guys, I'm gonna use this baby blue because it's my favorite color. If you guys, oh, I opened it. There you are now.
I'm using pink. Let's shut that.
Should I open it for you?
Yeah.
Eventually.
There we are. Okay, take a bit.
It's okay.
Oopsies.
Oopsie doopsie.
You can sometimes make mistakes. Let's add a bit more pink. There you are. Should we put this on the table? Okay, yeah. Okay, let's blink. You guys, we are now going to mix it. Okay, so you guys, we are going to keep mixing.
Yours turning good. Look at mine.
This looks so pretty. Look at
Doesn't
that.
really look.
But there are still a
Doesn't
few
want to
chunks of blue.
This matches with my.
Oh yeah, it does. Look at her eyes. It matches with her PJs. I feel nice and warm in this. I don't want to wear my PJs. I'm wearing a t-shirt for my PJs, so I'm keeping this on. It's so warm. I love this.
So next we're going to use the foam bead.
Here's the foam beads. Okay. Just gonna pour it in just a bit. Okay, I'll tell you when to stop. More? That's enough. Wait. Okay, so I'm gonna add the rest in.
You got loads, and it's not fair. You got loads. Thank you.
Now we're gonna mix it in.
Oh my god. Okay, now I'm gonna use the activator.
Okay, you can go first this time. Be careful. Just a bit for now. Why is it gone all slimy?
I'm gonna mix it for a bit.
Oh. Oh.
So we're gonna put the lid on and shake it.
You guys, I think it should be ready now. I'm just doing one more shake.
Me too.
There we are. But still kind of a bit sticky. So I'm
Mine is
just
not
gonna
sticky.
try adding a little bit
Mine
more
is not sticky.
activator.
Mine is not sticky. I got a perfect slime.
I need to.
I got a perfect slime. So jiggly. What's the jiggly? Now I'm gonna take it out and play. Whoa. It actually looks nice with the beads. But only the beads. But
Let's
when
have
are we
one.
gonna...
Blubby.
Mine is perfect. Don't feel mine. Mine is perfect. They both look the same. Why is yours spreading and mine is not? Mine is perfect.
Because this is jiggly, it doesn't make this clicky.
More beads. Let's go into my
The beads are falling.
This looks so cool. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle.
It's like... Guys, this is how our slime came out. Mine is better. Mine is too like jelly and too rippy.
Yeah, mine is that. And mine
sticky.
just turned
Look
into
how
a
jelly it is. Look at Anaya's. Hers is perfect.
Because pink works more perfect. And the feel.
You guys, this is how our slimes came out. We're now going to put it in our containers. Then next we're going to make a glitter slime.
Yay! Oh, yeah.
It farts.
Mine doesn't fart. Watch. Let me do it like a worm. So it can squish. See, mine doesn't fart.
In there. Again. Come on, go in.
Round 2.
Well, not round 2 yet, but our slimes are in our containers. I've got quite a lot.
I got a little bit because mine is really perfect.
Hers is perfect. Mine is jelly. At least I cleaned myself up. Okay, so let's go into round 2. So the ingredients we need is clear PVA glue that is ideal for slime making, as it says at the bottom. Borax, which you could only get in America. We've mixed it in this little tub. We have our paints, mixing bowl, and a tool to mix it, and the most important thing, the glitter. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in first. I need to be careful. did you hear that?
Yeah. Hear that again.
There we are.
My turn. There.
There.
There we are. Oh, I see 2 bubbles. Oh, look. Look at my glue. 2 bubbles.
Now we have to add in our paint. So
I'm
we've
going
switched.
first.
Okay, so
Open.
now I'm having purple and Anaya's having orange. Okay, I'll open it.
I'll try.
My fingers. Okay, that's perfect. Oh, that is perfect. Great job, Anaya. There we are. That's perfect.
Now I'm going to mix it.
Now, let's.
Oh, look at its
that.
colour.
Oh, that's nice.
It looks like an orange colour. Look at it, you guys.
Okay, so now we are gonna add in our glitter and activator. Okay, so who's okay? Okay, you guys. Now it's Sanaya's turn. She's gonna dump the rest in for her slime.
There's just
Put it
got a
in.
little bit left.
Put it in. Come on, come on. Go crazy with glitter. Glitter makes it wonderful. Come on, just dump it in. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Okay, so now let's start mixing.
Look at mine.
Okay. Put it in there. And I'm gonna have to put it in mine.
It likes Queen Bee. Queen Bee.
From the LOL.
That we got.
We didn't get queen. Okay, so now we're gonna put on the lids and give it a bit of a shake.
Like shake, shake. Wait. I'm not done.
3, 2, 1, go. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, so now let's check on them.
Wow, look at my lid.
That's a bit more better now
And mine.
from the last one. I mean, like compared to the last one.
Mine is not squishy enough. Actually came out a nice colour, right?
At least. This came out like a rose gold colour.
Hey, the glitter's going all over my hand.
Okay, I'm putting mine on the table.
Look at my hands. Look at my hand.
Ah!
Now I'm going to have it at school. Seriously. This is how my slime turned out.
This is how my slime turned out. Well, it's not that stretchy. But it's
Mine
kind of
is.
like putty at least.
Yeah, and mine. What about mine?
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to put our slimes into our containers.
Mine is in here.
Wait a minute.
Ew!
I'm going to squash mine together first. Oh, mine don't look quite enough. Let me try that again. Now mine is like jelly again. Like jelly again.
I want to make mine flat again by getting it out.
Okay, so now it's time for round 3. Okay, so we're on round 3. Okay, so the ingredients we need is just simple.
PVA glue.
White, PVA glue, borax and strawberry flavoured scent. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so it's a nice turn first doing the glue. Okay, make sure you put it in like this. Don't open the whole thing like you did last time.
Why didn't you get it out?
Let me.
Cause
I'll give you a bit of mine for my. Oh no! Dun dun dun.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Okay, so now we are gonna add in our strawberry scent. Probably about only 2 drops. Be enough. 1, 2.
I don't know.
2 drops.
Maybe you should add 5.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There.
Now you're
I need 2 more. I meant 3. 1, 2, 3. There we are.
Well, yours look like a flower.
It doesn't.
Yeah, because you need some more there.
There. Now we have to mix it in.
Mix, 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 mix. Oh my gosh, it feels so strong, right? I think I need a
but
little
it
bit
feels
more.
kind of heavy. When
Yeah,
you
I
mix it.
know. I need a little bit more because the colour.
It smells like glue.
Yeah, you smell.
Need a bit more of mine.
Smell
I
mine.
have- yeah. Hey, you got some of my thingy. Silly. Is that enough? Oh, good. Now it should work.
It looks like we're doing a white slime.
I think we should actually add in food colouring. Still smells like glue.
My slime smells like strawberry.
2 drops. There.
This is easy to me. Boo. I can't feel you. Oh no.
Mine still doesn't smell.
Quick.
Okay, so now we're gonna add in the borax.
I'm putting it in.
No, I have to because it's dangerous.
Oh.
You might burn your. Okay, so we're gonna add in the borax now. There. Just a bit. There.
I'm already mixing. Oh, mine is starting to clump up.
Mine was starting to a bit.
Look
Didn't
at
put
mine.
much
Mine is
borax.
clumping up.
Oh yeah. I just need to
Look at my slime. It's
put
clumping
them
up.
in the middle of mine.
Doesn't feel heavy to me.
It
Wait,
doesn't anymore.
Let's say about white stuff. White water, white snow,
White water. You
What?
can't get that.
white snow,
Yeah. White cover.
white
Glue.
yeah.
Uh-oh.
White.
Door.
No
White.
Wait, this is my turn.
Fine.
White wood.
Okay. White Atlantic.
White container.
These are like clear. Okay, mix.
Oh no, my borax.
What in the world?
Oh, more fell. Mine is still clumping up. Clump, clump.
Okay, so you guys, I think mine is ready.
And mine. Mine needs a little bit more mixing. I think I need to use my hands. I'm going on with my
It's
hands.
kind of hard. It's almost like all of my slimes are hard.
Then
I'm
feel
normally
mine.
a slime expert.
Feel mine.
Oh, yours needs a lot more mixing. Hopefully, in the past few days, it gets better. Because it's like so hard.
Wait, see one glitter.
Oh yeah. Soon the borax will start draining out of it.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys, you're gonna put our
White
slimes
slime.
in the pot. Finally, now mine has gone a bit more stretchy. Okay, let's put them in the pots.
I'm making mine gonna fall.
Okay, so now we are going to assemble it.
Smell mine.
My fingers feel oily.
Smell. Mine needs more pushing.
Okay, so these are all our 3 slimes. Our
My
scented ones, our glitter ones, and our foam bead.
beads.
Okay, so what are you
Glitter.
calling your
Right.
slimes?
I'm calling mine Syra.
What?
Syra.
Yes.
And Link.
Why don't you call that LOL? LOL.
LOL. Link.
Okay, I'm calling mine Scentable, Unicorn Magic, and Bubblegum.
And that's all of our slimes.
Yes. Okay, so you guys are gonna end it here. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and see you all next time. Peace out. I hope you liked the video, guys.